Hi everybody, Debbie here from Craftywafty, and I thought I'd just nip on and show you a quick little gift idea that you can make for friends and families, or for little stocking fillers, or even to hang on the tree. And these are these cute little Christmas wreaths filled with lovely sweeties. So we've got Ferrero Rochers there and Lindor there, but obviously other brands are available. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to make these. These don't take very long at all. Now I've got 6 Ferrero Rochers in one and 6 Lindors in the other. Okay, just to give you an idea of what I've used. So let's just quickly make one of these. Now I've got some lovely Christmas cellophane. Here we are. And I've got 2 sheets then. Let's just peel one of those away. And this is cut at roughly 20 centimetres by 60 centimetres in length. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run a bit of tape going along here. So I've got a little bit of double-sided tape, and I'm just going to run along a strip along that edge. This will just help to stick the chocolates on for when we roll them. Okay, so let's just get my little chocolates. So I've got some different flavours here. So what have I got? Two yellow ones. So I might stick a yellow one on there. I just will hold that in place. And we've got another little black one. Let's pop a little red one there. Pop a little brown one on that one. I'll have another little gold one up that end. We'll pop that little black one down there. So just by running that tape along the bottom of that edge of cellophane just helps hold them in place. Okay, and then we're just going to quickly roll these over like so. Just trying to keep that cellophane fairly tight. Just give that a little yank. There we are. All right, just going to roll them over like so. And then I'm just going to run a bit more of double-sided tape on that final edge there. But I'm not going right to the ends because I will be trimming these off. So I'm just going to run that down just past where the chocolates are. Right, so here we go. I'm just going to roll that over, and then that will stick them there. So they're all nicely cased in. Okay. Then I've got some baker's twine. Now I've cut 7 pieces of baker's twine at about, let me see, about 15 centimetres or thereabouts. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just tuck these and tie these around in between each of the gaps of the chocolate. So I'll just quickly do this. Pop that one in like so. Just so we get that nice effect, and this will just help as well with the shaping of the Christmas wreath. So let's just tie that one in on that end. Whoops, slipped that one. There we go. I'll just tie that one around and tuck that one in there. That's 1, 2, and then I'll just put another one in under here. So yes, I'm just using lovely baker's twine here. This one is, as you can see, is red, white and green, so it's very Christmassy, but you can get other different colours, but that's absolutely fine. I thought I'd go with the Christmassy theme because that's what we're making them for. But obviously you can make these gifts for any time of the year. It doesn't just have to be Christmas. So you could just use some plain cellophane or somewhere like flowers on or something like that. Maybe make these up for Mother's Day gifts or birthday presents, or even if you're having a little party or something like that. They make really cool party favours. So I'm just going to come up on the end here, just tie these end ones in like so. A little bit, slip it like that. That's so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 more on the end here makes 6 and 7. I'm just going to tie these. Now, I would have done exactly the same with the Ferrero Rochers. I would have just run some tape along the bottom, ready to roll these over, so it just holds the chocolates in place. Let's just tie that one in there. Oops, what if I don't? Oh, there it is. I thought I'd lost it then. There we go. And then I'm just going to tie this one round, give that a little tight pull on there, like that. Okay, so it looks like a funny sort of shaped sausage there for the minute. Now these end ties, it's up to you, but I just like to trim these off just a little bit. So I'm just going to trim those off. There we are, just tidies everything up a little bit. Just tuck my ribbon out of the way there. Okay, like so. And here we go, the last one. All right, and then what I'm going to do now is, as I roll it round, I'm going to cross over, okay, because I want a really good solid tie on there. I'm going to turn it over onto the back, and then I've got a longer piece, which I think was about 20 centimetres, and I'm just going to tie those two ends together at the top. Like so, I'm going to give that a really good, so I'm going to knot it first, like that. And then if I wanted to have it like hanging on the tree, I'm just going to tie off those two ends and just make a little loop out of that. So let's just tuck those in like so. So that's just pulling on that, like that. So that now creates a little loop. So if I want to hang it on the tree. Now the next bit is a bit of ribbon. So this ribbon I think is about 40 centimetres in length. So I'm just going to make sure I've got the loop out of the way. So we're back to the front again. And I'm just going to tie a ribbon around here. I'm going to just tie this into a bow. But I'm giving that extra tug on there as well. So that is not going anywhere. Here we are. Just going to quickly put a ribbon round on there. Give that a little pull. Tweak that. Obviously you can trim off your edges on there like so. There's a little bow. You can faff and adjust with that as much as you want then, but that would do for me for now. There we go. And then I've got a little holly sprig, so I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on there, so just to tuck that in. Oh, come on, glue. That's it. Tiny little bit of glue on there. I'm going to pop the little holly on there just to finish that off like so. And then I'm just going to trim off, as I call them, the ears. They look like little ears, so I'm just going to cut these off, cut those at an angle, and there we are, job done. Really quite quick and easy to do. I can trim off my need to get my sharper scissors out to trim those off, but I'll trim off the ribbons. But basically that's the job done. So they look absolutely lovely. You can change up and do different coloured ribbons and things like that, or get different cellophanes and that. But I think they make a really lovely gift idea. There we go, all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.